Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Malibu's oil life monitor. This is a straightforward process that helps ensure your vehicle's maintenance schedule is accurately tracked. We'll cover the common methods, which typically involve using either the infotainment system or the driver information center buttons. Keeping your oil life monitor reset after an oil change is essential for proper vehicle care and performance, helping you avoid unnecessary service lights. For many Chevy Malibu models, especially those with a touchscreen, you can reset the oil life through the infotainment system. First, turn your ignition to the on position but do not start the engine. Next, access the vehicle menu on your display. From there, locate the oil life option and simply select Reset. Confirm your choice and the system will update to 100%. If your Malibu doesn't have a touchscreen, or if you prefer, you can often use the driver information center buttons. Again, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the menu until you find the oil life display. Once there, press and hold the Set/Clear button for several seconds until the oil life percentage changes to 100%. Remember, it's crucial to reset your oil life monitor every time you perform an oil change. This simple step ensures your vehicle's computer accurately tracks the remaining life of your engine oil, preventing premature service lights or missed maintenance. If you encounter any difficulties, always refer to your specific Chevy Malibu owner's manual for the most precise instructions tailored to your model and year. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.